Okay, this is how we're going to measure controls for, or engine controls for custom manufacture. We have this drawing here that can be found on our website. And so we are going to measure a swivel type control first. And this is what the swivel looks like. Usually has a groove there. Alright, and so to get dimension A, which would be if there's a wear sleeve on here, you would measure from backside of the panel nut, which will rest against the front of the panel, to where the sleeve begins. So in this case it would be 20¼ inches. And then the next dimension would be dimension B, which would be the same starting point behind the panel nut. And that would go to the beginning of this groove, which would be 41 3/8 of an inch. And then the next dimension we're looking for is C, which is the extended length of push rod, which would be from where we left off, back side of this groove, to the end of the thread, which is 8 3/8 of an inch. Then we can look here on the rod and we see that this is 1032 thread. And we see this knob's red, which indicates it's a mixture. Okay, and we don't really need retracted, but you can add that in there if you would like. The next dimension that we need to find is the throw or travel, which we can find by just pulling the knob out as far as it will go and measuring between the stopping point and where it bottoms out, which would be 3 3/8 of an inch. That pretty much do it for that control. If you have any other questions, you can also call us and ask for the customs department, and we would be happy to help.